Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you the warp rewards bait skin, how it looks and how to get it easily. So this bait skin looks like a red gift box like this. Like this. This one. Like this. It's super festive and perfect for the Christmas update. And when you use it while fishing, this is how it looks in actions. Like this. Like this. It will look like this. And to get this bait skin, you can only need to exchange 50 gift at the gift factory. Like this. It's actually pretty simple, and then you can get gift by fishing at the Christmas island or by collecting presents during the rain present event. And okay, maybe that's it. Easy to get and totally worth it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.